So you're talking about a Hager pole, and what pole is it?
It's the Hager 923B-12.
923B-12. Well, those are priced per pole, so you can. Well, that's weird. You can definitely.
But they're back-to-back pulls, though, so I think that's the whole setup, isn't it?
Oh, hang on one second.
Mm-hmm.
Let me look. Let me get up to speed on this. That B might refer to that. 923.
I mean, did I just not scroll far enough, and they do have a half set in here, or maybe I missed it?
Well, no. I don't do a lot of Hager polls, admittedly.
Right.
But
no worries.
But my decades of experience tells me that the B probably means a pair. So, which is weird because the single pole is a 923P as in pair. So I would have called it 923S and 923P. So the part you actually want is a 923 Papa.
Okay.
That's what you actually want.
All right.
Then, what you have to define is, because I've done this many times with everyone. You're going to order a 923P, a single pole, but if it's the exterior, then you're probably okay. If it's the interior, we have to declare that because, as you know, those preparations are different on the exterior.
Well, that's good to know because they are the interior ones that they mounted to the outside, so they can use that stud and then mount it right to the stud.
Are these just single? No, I mean a 923B is going to be back to back, so they're not surface concealed. They're back to back. So yeah, we're going to have to define. We need a 923P, but prepped as the interior half of a 923B. So yeah, you can order. Yeah, you'll be able to order that. I mean, knowing Hager, it'll take a month of Sundays, but sure.
So can I find that on your website, or do I need to go directly to them?
Well, no, 923P. Yeah, when you search that, they come up.
All right, let me just.
What flavor?
It's the satin stainless.
630? Okay, 32D, yeah. So 923P-12, and I can see that I've got a weird image in there I've got to fix. And then...
it's a 12-inch spread on that one, too.
Were you able to pull that up?
I'm just looking for the finish here, yeah.
So 923B-12, and then when that comes up, scroll down to US32D. It'll be probably second from the bottom.
Oh, you said B. I said P.
No, I did. I did say B. I meant to say Papa. 923 Papa-12. Forgive me.
It's not popping up here. Satin, aluminum, chrome, satin, stainless. Here we go. Okay. Available in 10 to 12. And then just, where do I specify that I just put it in the comments that I need the interior one?
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Say, this is replacing the lost interior half of a 923B, so please prep for this accordingly and include the correct fastener package.
Beautiful.
That's what your comment will be.
All right. Well, I appreciate your help.
Yeah, it's typical, and I like how Hager does it because they say, here's the part number for singles. Here's the part number for back-to-back. Now, someone like Rockwood doesn't have a different part number for back-to-back. And when a customer, like a fella called me last night, and he was, his argument was that the price should be for two if he needs them back to back. And I said, well, by that logic, how would you ever order one only each pole? Well, I mean, you always have a pair of poles installed on a door. I says, well, you don't when you have an exit device, et cetera, et cetera.
Yeah, that's exactly what I have going on. So
yeah, and then what happens is there are times which most people do not acknowledge when half of the set is lost. Painter comes in, sweeps it in the garbage, and off it goes. So so this is exactly that 1 out of 1,000 time where you had a back-to-back, but you only need one half of it. So yeah, very cool.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Yeah.
Right.
So rock and roll. Carry on. And my name is Richard. And give me a call if you have any trouble.
I appreciate it, Richard. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye.